Hey there, car aficionados. Welcome back to BMW Announcement. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true masterpiece of power and elegance. The BMW M850i xDrive Gran Coupe. This is not just a car. It's a symphony of performance and luxury. If you're as excited as we are, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of the BMW M850i xDrive Gran Coupe. Beneath the hood of the M850i xDrive lies a juggernaut, a roaring 530 horsepower, 8-cylinder engine that redefines the concept of power. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. With 8 gears at your command, the M8 Gran Coupe delivers a driving experience that's as smooth as it is thrilling. Hold your breath because the M850i xDrive can rocket from 0 to 155 miles per hour in an astonishing 3.9 seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about the symphony of precision engineering that propels you into a realm of exhilaration. This is speed with style, elegance with acceleration. Speaking of performance, the M8 boasts an 8-speed transmission that ensures every gear shift is not just a transition, but an experience. It's the seamless marriage of power and control, allowing you to navigate the road with unparalleled precision. Step inside, and the M8 becomes a sanctuary of luxury. From meticulously crafted materials to advanced technology seamlessly integrated throughout, the interior is a testament to BMW's commitment to combining high performance with opulent comfort. Every detail is designed to elevate your driving experience. As we turn our attention to the exterior, the M8 is a visual masterpiece. Sleek lines, bold contours, and the unmistakable BMW design language come together to create an automotive work of art. It's not just a car, it's a rolling sculpture that demands attention. Let's quickly recap the numbers that define the BMW M850i xDrive Gran Coupe. 530 horsepower, 8 gears, 8 cylinders, and the ability to reach 155 miles per hour in a mere 3.9 seconds. These aren't just specifications. They are the embodiment of automotive excellence. And there you have it, a glimpse into the extraordinary world of the BMW M850i xDrive Gran Coupe. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, keep the passion for cars alive, and we'll catch you in the next episode.